In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alarm in Google Calendar. Let's start by opening Google Calendar. On a computer, go to Calendar. Google.com in your browser. On a phone or tablet, open the Google Calendar app. Make sure you are signed into the right account so the alert shows up on the device you are using. To create your reminder, tap or click the plus Create button. You'll see two useful options here: Event and Task. Choose Event if you want something that blocks time on your calendar and can notify you before it happens. Choose Task if it's a to-do item you want to be reminded about at a specific time. Now add the details, give it a clear title so you recognize it at a glance. Pick the date and set a specific time. If you are on mobile, check that the all-day toggle is off so you can choose an exact time. This time is important because it determines when your alert will fire for a task or when your pre-event notifications will be calculated for an event. Next, add your notification for events. Look for Add Notification. This lets you choose how long before the event you want to be alerted, like 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or even a day in advance. On some versions, you can also choose the alert type, such as a standard notification or an email, depending on what's most useful for you. For tasks, click or tap the time field and set the exact time you want the notification to arrive. Tasks notify you at that moment, which is perfect for quick reminders that don't need a countdown. If you want extra peace of mind, you can set more than one alert. Select Add Another Notification and stack multiple reminders, like one the day before and another 10 minutes before start time. This is great for important meetings, deadlines, or anything you really can't miss. When everything looks right, click or tap Save. Your alert is now scheduled. If you don't see notifications later, double-check that notifications are allowed for your browser or the calendar app on your device, and that your device isn't set to Do Not Disturb at the alert time. Also make sure your time zone is correct, so alerts come at the right moment. That's it: simple, reliable, and customizable. Set your title, date, and time. Pick event or task. Choose your notifications, add extras if needed, and save. Thanks for watching.